Hey everyone, Carlos here, Direct Metal Roof. Today I'm going to be talking about our classic panel system, which is exposed fastener, and our standing seam, which is hidden. First thing, a lot of these roof systems are exactly alike. Some things that are similar with them. Both are going to have a 150 mile an hour uplift rating. 150 mile an hour uplift rating. A shingle system has a 130 mile an hour uplift rating. Both of our systems, classic panel and standing seam, are going to come with either a 25-year warranty, which is going to be non-painted and mill finish, or a 40-year warranty if you choose to go with painted panels on either of the systems. Another great thing about either of these systems is they're going to make your home more efficient. How does that happen? Metal reflects and radiates the heat and the sun's radiation away from your home, causing it to be cooler inside and letting your AC run more efficient. First panel I want to show you is going to be a classic panel. This is going to be our exposed fastener system in mill finish. This panel is 36 inches long. You're going to see the fasteners. They're going to be exposed. You're going to see the screws. They're not as much of an eyesore as you would think they would be when you're thinking about them. A lot of times when you're driving around, you're looking at roofs, you don't even see them even though they're up there. The screws on this panel are going to be every 9 inches across, and they're going to go every 24 inches up. This panel, like I said, is 36 inches long, and the ribs are 9 inches apart. 150 mile an hour uplift rating, 25-year to 40-year warranty, superior to shingle in every possible way. The next panel I want to show you is our standing seam. Standing seam panel, beautiful. No screws, no fasteners. You're never going to see them. You're never going to see them. They're going to be hidden. This panel here is 16 inches wide, and it has a nail strip. This nail strip, your screws are going to go every 4 to 6 inches up. You're gonna have it securely fastened to your home. This system, absolutely, you will not see any screws at all. It's completely hidden. This panel here comes in either 26 or 24 gauge. And here is a sample of it in a painted color. 26 or 24 gauge, here's your nail strip going up. Great system. Compared to classic panel, which is going to be 29 or 26 gauge, and you're looking at exposed fasteners here. Folks, one thing we get asked a lot is about the uplift rating on them. It is true, both of these systems come with a 150 mile an hour uplift rating. Shingles come with a 130 mile an hour uplift wind rating. The state of Florida and your insurance company, this is huge here while you're shopping for a roof. A lot of you are only going to get a roof one time, so you need someone who's going to provide you really good information so you make an informed decision. One of the things we run into a lot is, Carlos, I don't need a metal roof. My shingle system has a 50-year warranty, a lifetime warranty. Call your insurance company, ask them what the state of Florida considers lifetime or the life expectancy of shingles. We do install shingles on some homes, and the manufacturer says, hey, 30-year warranty on this shingle. State of Florida, your warranty is going to be 15 years. Metal roofs, you're looking at a minimum of 25-year warranty, up to a 40-year warranty if they're painted. We'd love to help you, we'd love to educate you, and we'd love to answer all your questions. It's as simple as giving us a call, or if you're seeing this video on Facebook, just message us and we will get to you immediately and provide excellent customer service and knowledge about your metal roof that you're inquiring about. My name's Carlos here at Direct Metal Roof. I love metal roofs, and I'd love more than anything to answer your questions. Please give us a message, please give us a call.